Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport boot from inside the vehicle cabin. This is a convenient way to access your boot without needing to use the key fob or the external button. We will go through the simple, step-by-step process to use this feature effectively and safely. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before attempting to open the boot from the interior. First, you'll need to locate the interior boot release lever. In many Ford Ecosport models, this essential lever is typically found on the driver's side. You should check either near the bottom of the driver's door panel or on the floor panel to your left. It's often a small, distinct lever, sometimes marked with a boot icon or a simple arrow, making it easy to identify for quick access. Once you've successfully located the interior release lever, the next step is straightforward. Simply pull it firmly upwards with a steady motion. You should hear a distinct and satisfying click as the boot latch mechanism disengages. This action effectively unlocks the boot, making it ready for you to open it fully from the outside. It's a quick, efficient, and very easy process to gain access. Remember to always ensure your boot is securely closed after use to prevent any items from falling out while driving. This interior release is specifically designed for convenience when you are inside the car, not for emergency escape from the boot itself. For any model-specific variations or additional details, always consult your Ford Ecosport owner's manual for the most accurate and comprehensive information. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.